Hey there, Wellness Warriors. Welcome back to another enlightening episode of Wellness Wise 110. I'm your host, Jazzy, and today we're tackling an important and often misunderstood topic: why you should never press a woman's breasts with excessive force. This isn't just about avoiding discomfort, it's about understanding the potential risks and ensuring that you and your partner have safe, respectful, and pleasurable experiences. But first, let me introduce you to Lisa, whose story sheds light on why this is such a crucial issue. Lisa, a vibrant 28-year-old woman, enjoyed a loving relationship with her partner. However, one day she started experiencing severe pain and bruising on her breasts after a particularly rough encounter. This led to a trip to the doctor and a painful realization that her injuries were caused by excessive force. Lisa's experience highlights the importance of understanding the sensitivity of a woman's breasts and treating them with the care they deserve. Alright, let's delve into the 9 key reasons why you should never press a woman's breasts with too much force. Stick around because this information could make a significant difference in your intimate relationships. The breasts contain a lot of sensitive tissue, including nerve endings and delicate structures like milk ducts and glandular tissue. Pressing too hard can cause pain, bruising, and even damage to these tissues. Always remember that gentle touch is key to ensuring comfort and pleasure. Excessive pressure can lead to tissue damage, which may result in the formation of scar tissue. This can not only cause ongoing pain but also affect the appearance and feel of the breast. Treating the breast gently helps maintain their health and integrity. Applying too much force can increase the likelihood of developing cysts and lumps. These can be benign, but they often cause anxiety and require medical attention to rule out more serious conditions. Gentle touch helps avoid unnecessary health scares and maintains breast health. Chronic pain in the breasts, known as mastalgia, can develop from repeated rough handling. This pain can be debilitating and affect a woman's quality of life. Gentle and respectful touch is essential to avoid causing long-term discomfort. The skin on the breasts is delicate and easily bruised. Rough handling can cause visible bruises and damage to the skin, leading to pain and potentially increasing the risk of infection. Always use a light touch to avoid these issues. Excessive force can lead to discomfort or even pain, which can negatively impact a woman's sexual experience and overall intimacy. Ensuring a gentle, considerate approach can enhance pleasure and foster a deeper connection between partners. Rough handling can cause anxiety and make a woman wary of intimacy. This can lead to a lack of trust and reduced openness in the relationship. Treating her body with respect and care is crucial for maintaining a healthy and trusting relationship. Damage to the breast tissue or skin can create an entry point for bacteria, increasing the risk of infections such as mastitis. These infections can be painful and require medical treatment. Gentle handling helps keep the breasts healthy and free from infection. Experiencing pain or discomfort during intimate moments can have a significant psychological impact, leading to feelings of fear or reluctance towards future intimacy. It's important to create a positive and enjoyable experience by being gentle and attentive to your partner's needs. And there you have it, Wellness Warriors. 9 critical reasons why you should never press a woman's breasts with too much force. Lisa's story serves as a reminder of how important it is to approach intimacy with care and respect. By understanding these risks and treating your partner gently, you can help ensure a healthy and pleasurable experience for both of you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Wellness Wise 110. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest health and wellness tips. And as always, take care of your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, stay well and stay wise.